Okay, so we're all set here to start glassing. For my release surface, I just use electrical tape, and I just happened to use electrical tape when I was doing my tailpiece because I ran out of wax paper, and the electrical tape worked really good. I thought I would just save myself a bit of headache than trying to apply wax paper and getting wrinkles everywhere, and then just, obviously it's a time-consuming process to do this much taping, but it lets me bridge across here. Where there was a bump or a divot, I could just kind of put multiple layers of tape on. But just to kind of make the process go a little bit smoother, what I'm going to do is just put a real thin coat of Vaseline down on the taped areas. That way it should come off a little bit easier. And you can go and buy fancy stuff, but honestly, when you have 3 kids and it's you gotta load them up and take them across town just for that, I'm just gonna get a little messier, do it a little bit worse, and use Vaseline. But here we go. So here's applying fiberglass in 3 easy steps. Step 1, pre-cut your fiberglass, which I've already done. Step 2, apply your resin, your pre-coat. And I actually do a pretty light pre-coat. You can't go backwards from this, so if you put too much on your pre-coat, then you're going to have too much resin. Now we just wet it out till it becomes clear.
Never get out of these blues alive. I never get out of these blues alive. You know I'm doomed with the blues. I'll be doomed till the end. Drinking black coffee instead of smoking cigarettes all night. Drinking black coffee instead of smoking cigarettes all night. I can't sleep. What do you mean laying down? rocking in my favorite rocking chair. Then you're rocking, rocking, rocking in my favorite old rocking chair. But I know I never come out of the blues alive. Walking the floor all night long and steady jumping over my bed. All night long I'm walking and steady jumping over my bed. I can't sleep. What's the use of me laying down? My baby left me early this morning. Johnny Lee, I won't be back no more. Left me. She said she won't be back no more. That's the reason I never come out of these blues alive. Thank you. Oh, I dig it the most. You know, I'd love to sit down and do my thing, you know. 'Cause I love the blues. I was born with the blues, and I just dig it. And nothing else I want to do. And I wouldn't do anything else in the world but this. I want to thank you.